At large, when we speak about the wolf, we're talking about a very powerful spirit animal whose characters should be celebrated. And because we're talking about children, we're obviously contextualizing their lives in a larger community, a family community, whether that family is, as an adopted family or whatever the dynamic is, it's still a pack. It's still, it may be 2 people in a home, it might be 60 people in a home. We're still talking about a pack, a concept of the wolf pack, and then we have the larger community around that. So wolves are, they know how to operate in concert. They know how to care for each other. They understand proper hierarchy. There's a communication system working among them, which comes from that wildness. So that is the woke wild wolf, and you are the parent. So, and this is what we want you to be able to embody and become.